Okay, now I'm showing you step number 6 for both guys and girls of the dance called chorus swing. And I'm also in chorus half swing and wag. That's what I labeled them. And I'm going to show you step 6 and 6.5, which just means you repeat it. We're going to do that much with the music after this. Wait. Okay. Anyway, so to start out, you take your right foot and step forward and lift up your left leg. It'll start making a swinging move. So that's step 1, and then 2 is back on your left, 3 is back on your right, 4 is back on your left. So it's like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. But you're just moving your right leg back and forth, but you do transfer the weight. So the arms follow the legs again, but they're kind of, you see, they're kind of straight out. Your palms are facing up, and you're kind of changing spots when they go forward and back. So it's like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the basic swing. And for the first 8 counts, we do that twice. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the first chorus swing. Now you, for the chorus swing, half swing and wag, goes like this. You do your swing, 1, 2, and then you stop in the middle and go up and wag your hands for 2 counts and stop your right foot. So first up and to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going up 2 counts and then down 2 counts and then back up again. So that whole sequence I'm going to do again. So starting from the first 8 counts of the swing. It goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the chorus, and for step 6.5, you repeat that whole sequence that we just did. So you do that whole thing twice. And I'll put it in music with another clip.